Students, in the last class we discussed about the topic the nth term of an arithmetic progression an. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term is equal to an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Today I am discussing about the topic sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Sum of, that means Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. I repeat, Sn, sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or another formula, if the first term and last term is given, we can apply this formula n by 2 into a plus an. Now the first question, read the first question. Find the sum of 20 terms of 5, 8, 11, etc. Here the arithmetic progression is 5, 8, 11, etc. My question is find the sum of 20 terms means S20. Therefore, here what is A is equal to 5, the first term, and B is equal to second term minus first term. 8 minus 5, 3, or 11 minus 8, 3. Therefore, D is equal to 3 and N is equal to 20. Our aim is to find the sum of 20 terms. Therefore, S20 is equal to N by 2. N means 20 by 2 into 2a, 2 into 5 plus n minus 1, that is 20 minus 1, 19d. D means 3. What is the answer? 20 by 2? 10. Into 5 2s are 10 plus 19 into 3. What is 19 into 3? 57. Then here the bracket 10 plus 57, 67. 67 into 10 is 670. Understand the method? Apply. A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3 and N equal to 20. Then substitute the given terms in the formula. Then next question is same type. 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus etc. to 40 terms. That means that is also an arithmetic progression. Here the first term sequence is 1, 4, 7 etc. to 40 terms means find S40. Then what is A here? A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 4 minus 1. What is 4 minus 1? 3. And S40 means N is equal to 40. Applying S40 is equal to 40 by 2 into 2 into 1 plus 40 minus 1, 39 into 3. 40 by 2 is 20 into 2 plus 9 3s are 27. 117. 20 into 119. Find the final answer. The answer is 2380. Understand? Then the third problem. Listen, the third problem. Third problem is, that is another type problem. The third problem is 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus etc. plus 102. Here the question is not S102. Here that sequence or this series ends with the term 102. That is the last term. We name the last term as AN, isn't it? Therefore, here A is equal to 2 and D is equal to, what is the D? 7 minus 2, 5. And Here 102 is the last term or an. An is equal to 102. In this particular question, we did not know which is the that or how many terms are in this series. Therefore, apply the formula an. An is equal to, what's the formula an? A plus n minus 1 into d. 102 is equal to, what is your a? 2 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 5. 102 minus 2 is 100 is equal to n minus 1 into 5, or n minus 1 is equal to 100 by 5, 20, or n is equal to 21. Understand? N is equal to 21. Therefore, our aim is to find the sum of 21 terms. That is S21. What's the formula? S21. N by 2. 21 by 2 into. If the first term and last term given, you can apply this formula. N by 2 into A plus An. 21 by 2 into, what is your A? 2 plus, what is your An? An is equal to 102. That is 21 by 2 into 104. 2 and 52 into 21. What is 52 into 21? 52 into 21 is equal to 1092. The final answer is 1092. Understand? If the question is find the 40 terms means S40. But here in the third question, 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus etc. plus 102 means that 102 is the nth term of that series. Okay. Next type is, read the next question. Determine S35. Determine S35 means n is equal to 35. But A2 is 2 and A7 is 22. A2 means, what is A2? A2 means A plus D is equal to 2. Then what is A7? A7 means A plus 6D is equal to 22. Here we put equation 1 and 2. Then second equation minus first equation, 6D minus D. Second equation minus first equation, A minus A 0. 6D minus D. 5D is equal to 22 minus 2 is 20. D is equal to 4. Listen, let's substitute D is equal to 4 in the first equation. A plus 4 is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 minus 4. What is 2 minus 4? Minus 2. Now, S35 is equal to, S35 is equal to 35 by 2 into 2 into minus 2 plus 35 minus 1. What is that 35 minus 1? 34 into, what is your D? D is equal to 4. That is 35 by 2 into minus 4 plus 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12, 136. Then final answer is 2310. The final answer is 2310. Here n is given but A and D are not given. Therefore, applying the formula for that A plus D and A plus 6D, solve for A and D, then substituting, the final answer is 2310. Okay. Now, next question, read the next question. How many terms 20 plus 16 plus 12 plus etc. amount to 48? Understand the question? 20 plus 16 plus 12 plus etc. amount to 48. That means Sn is equal to 48. What is your A? A is equal to 20. What is D? D means second term minus first term. What is the second term minus first term here? 16 minus 20, that is minus 4. Then applying the formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, Sn means 48 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into a. 2 into a means 2 into 20. That is 40 plus n minus 1. N is not given. N minus 1 into d is minus 4. Understand the step? Now, look here. 48 into 2. What is 48 into 2? 96 is equal to n into 40, opening the bracket, minus 4n plus 4. That is 96 equal to 40 plus 4, 44. N into 44 minus 4n. That is 96 equal to 44n minus 4n square. Understand? Now converting this into a quadratic equation. Converting in this side, 4n square minus 44n plus 96 equal to 0. This is a second degree equation. Second degree equation is known as a quadratic equation. In the quadratic equation, we know that how many values are there? 2 values are there. Therefore, here which is common in here, this equation? We know that 4 is common. Therefore, taking 4 outside, n square minus 44 by 4, 11n plus 24 into 4 is 96 equal to 0. Now you can find the answer using prime factorization method. In this quadratic equation, one method is directly apply the formula. What's the formula? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole by 2a. Here we apply, this is a simple problem. Therefore, we can apply factorization method. What is the factorization method? Factorization method means product is equal to 24 and sum is equal to minus 11. When you multiply two numbers, the answer is 24, and when you add the same number, the sum is minus 11. Can you suggest that two numbers? 6 4s are 24, but 6 plus 4 is not 11. Therefore, that combination is not possible. Can you say another form? 8 into 3. What is 8 into 3? 8 3s are 24. 8 plus 3 is 11. But this is minus 11. Therefore, the combination is minus 8 minus 3. Therefore, we can factorize it as n minus 8 into n minus 3 equal to 0. Splitting the middle term. That's the method used here. Therefore, if AB equal to 0, in maths AB equal to 0 means either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. Therefore, n is equal to 8 or n is equal to 3. This is double answer. Understand? Here, how many terms 20 plus 16 plus 12 plus etc. amount to 48 means if n is equal to 8, you will get the sum 48, or if n is equal to 3 also, you will get 48. Understand the method? Here Sn is given. Our aim is to find that n, how many terms are there. Then next question is find sum of all, very important type, find the sum of all natural numbers between 250 and 1000 which are divisible by 3. I will read once again. Find the sum of all natural numbers between 250 and 1000 which are divisible by 3. That means here we select numbers between 250 and 1000. The condition is these numbers are divisible by 3. Can you say, is it 250 in between? Therefore, this 250 is not the first number. Can you say the first number which is divisible by 3? If a number is divisible by 3 means sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. Therefore, 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 2, that is 252. Therefore, we can say that 252 is the first number which is divisible by 3. Same way, can you say what is the nth term, last term in between this 1000 divisible by 3? 999. Very good. 999 is the last number which is divisible by 3. Now, A is given, An is given, and divisible by 3 means D is equal to 3. Can you find the answer? An is equal to, what's the answer? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An means, what is the last term? 999 is equal to 252 plus n minus 1 into divisible by 3 means D is 3. Divisible by 5 means D is 5. Therefore, here divisible by 3. Now, what is 999 minus 252? 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. N minus 1 into 3. Now, n 747 by 3. What is 747 by 3? 3 2s are 6, 14. 4 times 249 equal to n minus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 250. 250 terms are there in between 250 and 1000. 250 and 1000 which is divisible by 3. Suppose your question is find the sum of terms. Then how can you apply the formula? If you are here, the question is find the sum of all natural numbers. That means S250 is the question. S250. What's the formula? S250. 250 by 2 into, if the first term and last term given, 252 plus 999. What is 250 by 2? 125 into. What's the answer? 252 into 125 into 1251. 1251. Multiply. The final answer is 156375. 156375. Understand the method? These are the main questions. Look here. In this chapter, very important factor is, here the syllabus is only find the nth term. That's the first topic, An, and the second topic is sum of n terms. And the next portion is actually given is only simple application problems. Therefore, try to do the problems like this one. Okay.